To activate dark mode in Google Docs, launch a Chrome browser, then go to search, then search for Google Docs. Then click on the first link. Then it will land you here. Now you need to click on the blank document. Then as you can see, the Google Doc is not dark. Now in order for you to activate the dark mode, open the new tab, then search for Google Doc dark mode, then enter. Then you need to scroll down. Then you are going to see Chrome Web Store Google Doc dark mode. Now click on this. Then you need to add this extension on your Chrome. So you are just going to click on add to Chrome, then add the extension. Then Google Docs dark mode has been added to Chrome. Now if you go back to the first tab that we opened and refresh, you are going to see this icon here on your right hand side. So in order to turn the page from being white to dark, you just need to click on the icon. Then you see it has been turned to white. Now click on the icon again. Then you can also click on the second icon. Then as you can see, it has been activated to dark mode. So that's how you can activate dark mode on Google Docs. If you have found this useful, please do not forget to subscribe and to like the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.